Hey everybody, this is Pascal Mansell for Vanguard Global LLC, and this video is a part of our $30,000 to $300,000 in business credit program. This video is going to be a short video. Basically, it is about a couple little add-ons or information that I wanted to give you. Now, once again, although we are going to be doing or working with you to repair your credit if your credit is damaged in some way, shape, or form during this process. But what I wanted to go over with you is this. Down the road, when you are no longer dealing with us, if you want or need to repair your own credit or repair someone else's credit, I'm going to tell you the best information that I know of personally on credit repair. Very, very, very good information. I used to use this information, quite frankly, to make a lot of money back in the day when I was working with people in a larger fashion to do credit repair. So when I used to buy this program from this lady before she sold her website, I was paying 300 and I think the first time I bought her information it was like 380 bucks, or I don't really remember offhand, but it was something like that. And then it went down to 200 and some odd dollars, and then ultimately she sold her website to I believe it's Lexington Law that actually owns the website now. So, but anyways, one of the positives about Lexington Law, which their companies, because they make their money by taking forever to do your credit repair. They do the work, no doubt about that, but they'll bleed you dry, in my opinion. So, anyways, you can buy this entire system for $29.95 now, and so I wanted to point this out to you because this is just awesome. All you have to do is go right here to bookstore.creditinfocenter.com. Obviously, everything's right here for you, and buy this $29 package. Okay, and this is all the things that you get with this. So this book here, Good Credit is Sexy, by Christy Walsh, who's the person who used to own the site, is excellent. I mean, it gives you case law, it gives you statutes, it gives you everything. It gives you literally every bit of information I think a person would need to, quite frankly, even go to court. Because my nephew, I turned my nephew on to this information, and he literally was able to go to court and fight using just this information. And basically, the judge threw out the credit, the lawyers for the credit grantor, because quite frankly they weren't prepared, and he was, because he had all the proper letters, everything that he needed, and the judge basically said that something to the effect, because obviously I wasn't there, that if Mr. Mansell can come in here prepared, and you can't come in here prepared, then I don't have time for this, and basically threw it out. So my nephew won. It was a judgment that someone's going after him for something to do with when he was in the military and in Florida with a property he owned or some BS. I don't remember. But anyways, this for 29 bucks you're going to get literally everything that you need, to do credit repair, to learn how to settle your debt. It's a complete package. So I'm not going to go through all this, but one of the things that I love about this is that these 95 sample letters cover every aspect of credit repair that I've ever run across. So if you don't know what type of letters to write to the credit grantors or even especially to the credit bureaus, it's right here. Okay? It's all right here. It's very simple, very easy. The way I do it is what I will do is I pull up the sample letter that I need, and I just back out the miscellaneous information and put in the proper information. I might change a little bit of the verbiage so it doesn't look like all the other letters, and then I just send it off to the credit bureaus. Just, simple as pie. That's it. So I just wanted to turn you on to this. Once again, it's bookstore.creditinfocenter.com. For $29, this is literally the best credit repair information that I know of, and the price tag is ridiculously cheap. All right, so that's that. Now the next thing I have for you that I want to turn you on to is if you're looking to buy a shelf corporation, I have been referring people to the Wyoming company for many, many, many years. You can even set up with them as a wholesaler, and so obviously get seasoned or aged corporations at a discount. And so this is something that you might also want to look into. So once again, it's right here, clear as day. It's the wyomingcompany.com. They're very proficient in what they do. Everything is right here on the website. There's no need for me to go over this much. It's all here. So if you happen to want a shelf corporation, a seasoned, aged corporation, you can go to the Wyoming company. You can see what they have available, and pick a corporation and buy it. One thing that I'm going to tell you is that a lot of people like shelf corporations because they're still thinking in terms of dealing with Dun & Bradstreet. But I need you to remember that what we're doing, it's just not a requirement. For what we're doing, having a seasoned or shelf corporation is just literally not a requirement. You can see all the different states that they potentially have available corporations in, and then obviously they give you the cost, the whole 9 yards. So check with them. Let's see here, and you can obviously see the pricing that they have. Age, obviously the older something is, the more it's going to cost. You can see these aren't really that old, but check with them, okay? Because if in different states they have older corporations. States like California, bigger states, they sell out faster with those states because, for obvious reasons, there are more people that are in those states looking for shelf corporations. So I just clicked on Ohio here, and you can see that this corporation was inked or created in 2008. But you can also see how much they're asking for this corporation created in 2008. It's a 10-year-old corporation, so they want $4,195 for that corp. To me, that's ridiculous. But if that's something that you're looking for, just go to the Wyoming company, and they have everything right here for you. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to keep it short. I just wanted to add these couple of things in because I think it's important that you have as many resources available to you as possible. All right, thank you so much. Bye-bye.